Good morning to all our Emonews followers. It's Tuesday morning here in Dominica. We are at Colihaut on location to bring you an update on what has happened overnight in the early hours of the morning here in Colihaut. This is the main road. If you have plans on heading to Roseau from the north of Dominica, we're not sure if it is safe to go through this road. So we are here, Emonews.
Good morning, Dominica. Good morning, viewers. This is your girl, Emonews. And this morning we are here to bring you the coverage of the aftermath of Hurricane Beryl here in Dominica. As you can see, rough seas. Yes, rough seas in Dominica, making some roads impassable. So if you're heading to work this morning, if you're coming from Portsmouth to Roseau, Roseau to Portsmouth, this is the condition of the roads here in Colihaut. This is just one location. From all reports, Kibbe Street is the same. So call your bosses. As a matter of fact, I'm sure they are watching Emonews, so they will know that the road is impossible. So call your bosses, call your managers, and let them know that you might be late, or you can make it to work today. Take a look at what is happening here at Colihaut. The road is impassable. Yes, you can't pass here if you have a car, a van, maybe a tractor trailer only. Yeah. And we're hoping that the Ministry of Public Works will come and clear this debris off the streets pretty soon, so folks can go their merry way. Meanwhile, the seas are still rough. It is still rough. So please, those of you who are living near the seas, we ask you to pay close attention to what is happening now.
So MO the area, for those who are probably trying to figure it out, the corner right here.
Near the Colihaut Primary School?
Yes.
Yes.
So we're seeing a lot of vehicles already lined up, heading to Roseau, but they can't make it.
So a closer view as to what is happening here in Colihaut. As you know, Emonews is always here to bring you the coverage and the updates as it happens or as it unfolds. We don't wait for the news, we bring the news to you as it happens. Yes, so that's the status of the road here in Kibbe Street and Colihaut. This morning when I pass through Portsmouth, the Borough Square is also littered with gravels as well. Perpetrator is littered. So those of you who are traversing, commuting this route, please be very cautious. Please pay attention to what is happening in your surrounding. So just a heads up, those of you who are working on the north, those of you working in the south, this is the condition of the road. I guess your managers, your supervisors are viewing Emonews as well. I'm pretty sure they will get the news. Please take note that you can't pass. And the sea is still raging. Yes, it is still raging. As of 2 a.m. this morning, I got calls and messages from the people of Dublin that the sea is entering their homes. So we will be heading to Dublin pretty soon to show you what is happening. And I'm pretty sure the Ministry of Public Works will send some heavy equipment here to clear the rocks, the debris here down at Colihaut. As always, this is your girl Emonews. Every moment online, we are here to bring you the coverage. Yes. The sea, it is raging. Yes, it is raging. So folks are basically stranded here. We have the police officers are also here. I see Jefferson Drigo here. So folks are here on standstill until some heavy equipment will come through to clear this area. On behalf of Emonews, we thank you for viewing. We will be live shortly at Dublin. We will head into Kibbe Street, but as you can see, the road is impassable. But from our reports, this is the status of the road in Kibbe Street as well. So please keep those who are living near the seashores, the coastline, in your prayers. We hope that everyone will at least save some stuff and secure some items. Stay tuned for more coverage from Emonews. We are happy to bring you the coverage every time as the news unfolds. Thank you all for viewing and stay tuned for our next stop.